From the profound depths of space, countless celestial bodies journey through the cosmos, each moving according to the precise laws established by the Creator. For millennia, humanity has looked to the heavens, pondering our origins and the universe's grand design. Today, our scientific endeavors allow us to extend our reach, seeking tangible answers to these ancient questions. The OSIRIS-RX mission represents a monumental chapter in this quest, a testament to human ingenuity guided by the divine wisdom embedded in the universe's very fabric, to touch a piece of a primordial world and bring its secrets home. NASA's OSIRIS-RX mission, an acronym for Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, and Security Regolith Explorer, was conceived as a groundbreaking journey to explore a carbonaceous asteroid named Bennu. Its ambitious goal was to collect a sample of this ancient space rock and deliver it back to Earth for scientific study. This mission embodies our aspiration to comprehend the universe's earliest moments, seeking clues to how the planets formed and the very building blocks of life emerged, all within the intricate framework of Allah's SWT creation. Asteroid Bennu is no ordinary space rock. Classified as a carbonaceous asteroid, it is a relic from the early solar system, a primitive body that has likely remained largely unchanged for billions of years. By Allah's SWT perfect design, Bennu carries within it materials that formed before the Earth, before the Sun fully ignited, offering a pristine snapshot of the cosmic ingredients available at our solar system's birth. Studying Bennu's composition could unlock profound insights into the origins of water and organic molecules on Earth, fundamental elements for life as we know it. The formation of our solar system, and indeed the entire universe, unfolds through a series of precise physical laws established by the Almighty Creator. From coalescing dust and gas, guided by gravity and other fundamental forces, planets, moons, and asteroids like Bennu took shape. This intricate process, seemingly chaotic yet profoundly ordered, points to a deliberate design where every particle and force plays its role. Humanity's scientific exploration, therefore, is not merely observing random events but discovering the elegant, consistent patterns within Allah's SWT grand cosmic blueprint. The journey of OSIRIS-RX began not in space, but in the meticulous assembly rooms and launch facilities on Earth. Every component, every system, was engineered and tested with extreme precision, a testament to human dedication striving for excellence within the parameters set by the Creator's design. The spacecraft was prepared for its arduous voyage atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, a marvel of modern engineering poised to defy gravity and carry humanity's aspirations beyond our home planet from the iconic Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. On September 8, 2016, a powerful roar shattered the Florida quiet as the Atlas V rocket ignited, propelling OSIRIS-RX skyward. This moment marked the culmination of years of tireless work and unwavering faith in the Creator's enabling laws. The spacecraft ascended through Earth's atmosphere, rapidly gaining speed, destined for a distant encounter. It was a spectacular display of human ingenuity, harnessing the physical principles of propulsion and aerodynamics, perfectly aligned with the cosmic ballet that governs all motion within Allah's SWT boundless dominion. Once free from Earth's embrace, OSIRIS-RX began its long, solitary cruise through the vacuum of space, a journey spanning over 2 years and billions of miles. This trajectory, meticulously calculated using the precise orbital mechanics Allah SWT established, was designed to intercept Bennu. The spacecraft navigated the vast cosmic expanse, silently traversing distances that defy human comprehension, a testament to the immense scale of the universe and the precision required to travel within its boundaries, a continuous display of divine order. A critical maneuver in the mission's early phase was the Earth Gravity Assist in September 2017. OSIRIS-RX swung past our home planet, using Earth's gravitational pull, a fundamental force created by Allah SWT, to alter its speed and trajectory. This celestial slingshot provided the necessary boost, propelling the spacecraft towards Bennu while conserving precious fuel. Such an elegant dance, exploiting the Creator's laws of physics, showcases the intelligence guiding these missions and the harmonious interaction of bodies within the solar system. After its extended voyage, OSIRIS-RX finally rendezvoused with Bennu on December 3, 2018. The spacecraft smoothly entered orbit around the tiny asteroid, a feat requiring immaculate navigation and precise thruster burns, all governed by the Creator's physical laws. This marked the beginning of an intensive survey phase, where humanity's advanced instruments could finally scrutinize this ancient traveler up close. From a distance back, Bennu became a tangible world, revealing its true nature through the lenses of OSIRIS-RX. The initial observations from OSIRIS-RX unveiled a surprising reality. Bennu was a rubble-pile asteroid, a loose collection of rocks and boulders bound together by its own weak gravity, a fascinating structure born from cosmic collisions and held together by the Creator's subtle forces. This contrasted with initial expectations of a smoother, sandy surface, presenting unprecedented challenges for sample collection. The terrain was rugged, covered in large rocks, forcing the mission team to adapt their strategies to safely approach and collect material from this unexpected landscape. To overcome the challenge of Bennu's rugged surface, OSIRIS-RX embarked on an extraordinary high-resolution mapping campaign. Over several months, the spacecraft meticulously surveyed the asteroid, using its advanced instruments to create detailed topographical maps and identify potential sampling sites. This painstaking process, leveraging the precise scientific tools created by human intellect and guided by Allah's SWT, laws of light and observation, was crucial for finding a safe and scientifically valuable location for the delicate sample collection operation. The selection of a sample collection site was a critical decision, balancing scientific return with mission safety. After extensive analysis of Bennu's challenging surface, 4 candidate sites were identified. Each offered unique scientific potential, but also presented varying levels of risk due to the boulder-strewn landscape. The team, relying on Earthbound simulations and the vast data gathered, had to make a choice, trusting in their preparation and the Creator's will to guide their selection toward a successful outcome. Ultimately, the mission team selected a site named Nightingale, a small, relatively clear spot within a crater. Despite being only about 16 meters in diameter and surrounded by hazardous boulders, Nightingale offered the best chance for pristine material. This bold choice reflected the team's confidence in the spacecraft's precision guidance system and the careful planning that anticipated every potential challenge, acknowledging that success ultimately rests with Allah's SWT decree even as humans strive with their utmost. It was a high-stakes gamble for an unparalleled scientific reward. The moment of truth approached, the touch-and-go, or tag, maneuver. Weeks of final preparations ensued, with commands uploaded, systems checked, and trajectories refined. The spacecraft practiced its approach repeatedly in simulations, fine-tuning its autonomous navigation capabilities to operate flawlessly 200 million miles from Earth. This intricate dance of technology and precision, developed through human intellect gifted by Allah, SWT, was designed to execute a complex ballet of descent, touch, and ascent without human intervention during the critical moments. On October 20, 2020, OSIRIS-RX began its perilous descent towards Nightingale. Over several hours, the spacecraft slowly lowered itself, navigating around the treacherous boulders, its autonomous systems correcting for minute variations. This intricate dance through the asteroid's faint gravity, relying on the Creator's precise laws of motion, required perfect timing and execution. Every sensor, every thruster, had to perform its role flawlessly as OSIRIS-RX crept closer to its target, a tiny spot on a distant, ancient world. At 10:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, after a journey of over 4 years and billions of miles, OSIRIS-RX made contact with Bennu. The spacecraft's robotic arm, equipped with the touch-and-go sample acquisition mechanism, or TAGSAM, gently kissed the asteroid's surface. This was a moment of immense tension and triumph, the culmination of years of preparation. In that brief instant, humanity, through its sophisticated instruments operating within the laws set by Allah, SWT, had reached out and touched a piece of primordial creation. Upon contact, the TAGSAM head released a burst of nitrogen gas, stirring up dust and small rocks from Bennu's surface. This material was then funneled into the collection chamber. The entire process was designed to be rapid, lasting just a few seconds, to minimize contact time and risk. It was an ingenious method, relying on the principles of fluid dynamics established by Allah, SWT, to gather precious extraterrestrial samples without damaging the spacecraft. This brief interaction marked the successful fulfillment of the mission's primary objective. Immediately after the nitrogen blast, imagery from OSIRIS-RX revealed a surprising and dramatic sight: a dense cloud of debris, including particles up to several centimeters in size, erupted from the asteroid's surface. This unexpectedly vigorous response confirmed that the tagsum had penetrated deeply into Bennu's regolith. While a testament to the effectiveness of the collection method, it also presented a moment of concern, highlighting the dynamic and unpredictable nature of cosmic environments, all unfolding under the watchful decree of Allah, SWT. After the tag maneuver, the critical next step was to confirm that a sufficient sample had been collected. OSIRIS-RX performed a spin maneuver, allowing scientists to estimate the sample mass by measuring the change in the spacecraft's rotational inertia. Initial data quickly indicated a significant quantity of material. This ingenious method, based on the laws of physics divinely established, provided vital assurance that the mission had indeed secured a treasure trove of cosmic dust and rocks, making the perilous journey worthwhile. The verification process confirmed a triumphant success. OSIRIS-RX had collected far more material than the target minimum of 60 grams. The tagsum was overflowing, holding hundreds of grams of Bennu's ancient regolith. This unexpected abundance was a profound blessing, ensuring ample material for scientific study for decades to come. It was a testament to the meticulous planning, the robust engineering, and ultimately, the munificence of the Creator who allowed such a rich harvest from a distant celestial body. With the sample secured in the tagsum head, the next critical step was to safely stow it within the sample return capsule. This involved a delicate robotic operation to maneuver the tagsum into the capsule, which was then sealed to protect the pristine material from the harsh space environment. Every movement was precisely choreographed, a testament to the engineering foresight and the divine guidance that ensures complex mechanical systems function as intended, preserving the priceless cargo for its journey home. Having achieved its primary objective, OSIRIS-RX bid farewell to asteroid Bennu in May 2021. With its precious cargo safely secured, the spacecraft performed a final series of burns to leave Bennu's orbit and set a course for Earth. This departure marked the end of one chapter and the beginning of the long, solitary journey back. It was a moment of reflection on the vastness of Allah's SWT, creation and humanity's privilege to explore and learn from its wonders, bringing a piece of its ancient past back to our present. The return journey to Earth was just as long and challenging as the outward bound leg, covering another 1.27 billion miles. OSIRIS-RX traversed the vast cosmic distances, operating autonomously, its systems carefully monitored from millions of miles away. It was a testament to the endurance of the spacecraft and the robustness of its design, enabling it to sustain its mission through the vacuum and radiation of space, all according to the immutable laws set by the Almighty Creator. As OSIRIS-RX journeyed back across the cosmic ocean, it offered a profound opportunity for reflection. The spacecraft, a tiny vessel carrying a fragment of another world, underscored the vastness of Allah's SWT, creation and the intricate design of the universe. Every star, every planet, every asteroid moves with a purpose, governed by divine decree. Our ability to build, launch, and guide such missions is a gift, enabling us to witness the grandeur of His handiwork and seek knowledge that deepens our awe and understanding. As OSIRIS-RX neared Earth, the mission entered its final, most critical phase, preparing for the sample return. Precise trajectory corrections were executed to ensure the sample return capsule would hit its designated target in Earth's atmosphere. This meticulous fine-tuning, guided by calculations rooted in the Creator's laws of celestial mechanics, was essential for the capsule's safe and accurate descent. There was no room for error, the priceless sample depended on flawless execution. On September 24, 2023, approximately 4 hours before landing, the sample return capsule successfully separated from the main OSIRIS-RX spacecraft. This was a pivotal moment. The capsule, containing Bennu's precious cargo, embarked on its independent trajectory towards Earth. The main OSIRIS-RX spacecraft, its primary mission accomplished, then diverted into a new orbit around the Sun, a faithful servant continuing its journey under the Creator's cosmic rules. This separation marked the point of no return for the sample's fiery descent. The sample return capsule plunged into Earth's atmosphere at an astonishing speed of 27,650 miles per hour, generating immense heat and creating a dazzling fireball. Its robust heat shield, designed to withstand temperatures of up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, protected the delicate samples within. This extreme environment, a consequence of the Creator's physical laws governing atmospheric friction, was a controlled inferno, a final trial for the capsule before its gentle landing. It was a spectacle visible to many across the western U.S. As the capsule slowed its blistering descent, a series of precisely timed parachute deployments began. First, a drogue parachute deployed at an altitude of 20,000 feet, stabilizing the capsule. Moments later, the main parachute unfurled at 5,000 feet, gently slowing its fall to a mere 11 miles per hour. This elegant sequence, an application of Allah's SWT, laws of aerodynamics and gravity, ensured a soft landing, bringing the precious extraterrestrial cargo safely down to Earth. The OSIRIS-RX sample return capsule touched down precisely within its target zone at the Utah Test and Training Range. The landing was flawless, marking the first time the U.S. had successfully returned an asteroid sample to Earth. This momentous achievement was a testament to decades of scientific advancement, engineering excellence, and the enabling grace of the Creator, bringing a piece of the cosmos directly into our hands for study. A new era of understanding had begun. Immediately following touchdown, a highly trained recovery team, including experts from NASA and the U.S. military, swiftly moved to secure the capsule. Operating in a pristine clean room environment within specialized vehicles, they meticulously processed the capsule, preparing it for transport. Every precaution was taken to prevent contamination, ensuring the extraterrestrial samples remained untouched by Earth's environment, preserving their ancient integrity as a pure gift from the Creator's vast universe. The recovered capsule, still sealed, was carefully transported to NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. This specialized facility, equipped with state-of-the-art curation laboratories, became the new home for Bennu's samples. Here, behind hermetically sealed doors, scientists would begin the delicate process of opening the capsule and extracting its priceless contents, continuing the meticulous work within the precise laws of chemistry and physics established by Allah, SWT. With utmost care, the capsule was opened in a nitrogen-purged glove box, a pristine environment designed to protect the samples from Earth's atmosphere. What emerged exceeded expectations, a treasure trove of dark, dusty material and small rocks, clearly demonstrating the mission's success. This initial unveiling was a moment of profound excitement, offering the first direct glimpse into a world untouched for billions of years, a fragment of Allah's SWT, ancient creation, now here for human discovery. The samples from Bennu hold immense scientific value. They are expected to contain not only water-bearing minerals but also carbon-rich organic molecules, the very building blocks of life. Studying these materials could provide unprecedented insights into how water arrived on Earth and the processes that initiated life itself, all within the perfect system Allah, SWT, designed. Bennu is a time capsule, offering direct evidence of the cosmic conditions that prevailed at the dawn of our solar system, long before life flourished on Earth. The presence of complex organic molecules and water in an asteroid like Bennu is a profound reminder of the Creator's intricate design in the universe. It suggests that the fundamental ingredients for life were widespread even in the earliest stages of the solar system's formation. This cosmic distribution of potential, guided by Allah's SWT, universal laws, hints at a purposeful creation, where the conditions for life are not arbitrary but woven into the very fabric of existence, waiting to be discovered and appreciated by humanity. Beyond understanding our origins, studying Bennu provides crucial data for planetary defense. As a near-Earth object, Bennu has a slight chance of impacting Earth in the distant future. The OSIRIS-RX mission helped precisely characterize its orbit and composition, offering invaluable knowledge for potential future mitigation strategies. This foresight, a gift of intellect from Allah, SWT, allows humanity to plan and protect itself, understanding and navigating the cosmic risks inherent in our shared universe. The OSIRIS-RX mission stands as a monumental achievement in space exploration. It demonstrated humanity's capability to travel to a distant asteroid, collect samples, and return them safely to Earth. This success is a powerful testament to scientific perseverance, engineering brilliance, and the collaborative spirit of thousands of individuals. It showcases how, through diligent application of the physical and intellectual gifts bestowed by Allah, SWT, we can unlock the universe's most profound secrets and expand our understanding of creation. The journey of OSIRIS-RX has concluded, but the journey of discovery has just begun. The samples from Bennu will be studied for decades, revealing ever deeper insights into the origins of our solar system, the building blocks of life, and the dynamic processes that shape the cosmos. Each discovery is a further illumination of the Creator's boundless wisdom, a call for humanity to reflect upon the intricate beauty and order that permeates every atom and galaxy. May our quest for knowledge always deepen our appreciation for the divine handiwork around us.